Hey, good morning, everybody. It's me and Hank today. Yes, it is. He's much prettier than I am. I got my Bucky's hat on. Oh, what a great time. I keep on to poke my eye out. Got to use the cheaters still. But anyway, hey, I got a mail call today. You've seen that flashing on, I'm sure. Well, you guys know Purple on 3? If you ain't following her channel, go ahead and follow it. That girl rides. Her and her husband, Tommy G, they ride. They went all the way, did Route 66, start to beginning, and they just went up to Canada, but they went on up into Alaska. They did the Alaska run. Woo! I never even thought of doing that, much less doing it. Anyway, they did it, and then they had some problems. But let me show you what we got here in the mail. Yep, right here. One of my computers is on its last legs. Last leg. Anyway, maybe she don't want you to show the address. So we won't. Poof, it's gone. Let's see what she sent me. I know she got some new stickers. But I was thinking she was going to send me some gold. How the heck? Look at, oh my goodness, we got a picture. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Ain't as easy with one hand as one would think. But no gold. I don't know where the gold went. She promised me gold. But that's her right there. That's Tommy G. And then over there you got Purple on 3. She rides a Can-Am. I think we got, oh my goodness, we got a bunch of stuff here, right there. But hang on, I'm gonna look at the note before I open it up and let anybody see it. Well, that was a very nice letter. Thank you very much there, kids. That was nice. None of you guys' business, just my business and her business. But this is someplace she said was out in South Dakota somewhere. We're going to have to check that out. It's called Purple Pie Place. Now, I think she said Sturgis. We'll do a Google search on that. Make sure. Yep. That's pretty cool. I've never seen it. If it's out of Sturgis. Why? White Horse. This is where they went up in Alaska. Never been to Alaska. Man. I don't know if I ever will. I think I'll just live it through you guys. Let's see. Yeah, that's a postcard there. She didn't take that picture, but that's awesome that they got to go there. And then we got some stickers here. Let's see what we got. We got... Purple on 3. Look at that girl on that bike. There's her Can-Am right there. That's pretty cool. I'll show you where I'm going to put them in the next clip. And then we got two of the same, kinda. Well, we'll put them in 2 different spots. That one's really nice. Look at the sparkles. Can you see that, guys? She's sparkly. Okay, and then we got she's got 3. Oh my God, I better get going. I only got the one. There it is again, another one. That's a different type. All right, well, I got places for all 3. I guess Tommy G don't like me. Anyway, that's pretty awesome, guys. I like stickers. I'll show you where I'm going to put these right now. Hang in here. Are you hanging in here? You want to go put the stickers up? All right, let's go paste them on. Oh boy, that's close up. Can you say squirrel? Woo boy. Well, I hope I didn't lose everything. My recorder shut off before I could get out here and put that one up. But there's where she went. Look at, you get this on there. Oh man, she's a shiny girl. Anyway, that's where I've been putting my stickers as of late. You recognize some of those guys. Oh, Mr. G, you got Cool Whip, Crazy Dave's Trailer, Lone Star. Then you got Bob and Tam, naturally, Gunner and Chef. If you don't want to learn about beer, that's the place to go. And if you're on the East Coast and you want to go on a motorcycle ride, get a hold of Mr. G and go on that. It'll be VAM 24. Yes, it will. Then we got these guys here. Met them out in Sturgis. Well, how many of you know Highway Vixen? Yeah, she's a nice girl. I'll tell you that. Not bad to look at either. So, anyway, that's there. Well, there we got ZZ. We got Dirty Dog. And this one right here, that's the old, you can do a one of them search things or scan things right on that thing. That'll take you to his other site. I think he's giving away a victory on that channel. Anyway, he's got enough of them. He ought to give one away, don't you think? Anyway, hey, that's my sticker board. That's the one that goes in the RV when I go out to Sturgis Way. Them are some fine fellers right there. So anyways, that's where them stickers are going to go. I got a few more here and there, up in there. Matter of fact, I got our old one up there. I got Mr. McStashes up there. We got Blue Bike and Dola's up there. Mr. G's old stickers up there. Hey, what I wanted to do is, I'm telling you about the stickers and I appreciate them. I do, really do. But I wanted to show you something here I found on the map. Right here. See if we can see it. Nebraska. Where's Kansas? Right there. Right in here somewhere is Lebanon, Kansas. You know, that is exactly halfway from there, here, and there. That's the middle of the lower 48. Wouldn't it be nice if a bunch of fellers got together out there, maybe over 4th of July or any celebration, just got together, because that's halfway. I mean, that's middle of America, and that'd be nice, wouldn't it? Everybody get together. Just thinking out of the box. Okay, there, Purple on 3. That's where that sticker went right there. It's in the old sticker book. But I wanted to show you, what do you want to show her, Hank? You wanted to show her up here? Yeah, we put your magnet right here on this is where we went this year, and it was awesome. Or I think it was 2 years. That's 2 years of travel right there. And that's where your magnet went, right there. So, I hope you're feeling good, feeling better. I know it's a slow recovery. What I didn't tell everybody else, and it's none of their business, you can tell them if you want, she got very sick. Very sick. On the road. Imagine that. Being on the road and ending up in the hospital. Yeah. So let's all give her a thumbs up and send some prayers her way, whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do to send good luck towards Purple on 3. She's a fine old girl, she is. Yes, sir.